all washed dirty.
Right.
Those wheels here,
This like yeah, good.
the chrome, $800 a piece. That's
Oh,
what's so
this
expensive.
one?
Yeah.
Oh.
This wheel. The
Ah.
tire is like 700.
Oh, okay, okay.
So you're looking at maybe 1,500 for tires.
Oh,
But the car is cheap. You buy the
very high price.
you buy the whole kit, maybe $8,000.
Okay.
If you want to make it fancy as you want it, you can do whatever you want.
This is good.
Paint job is expensive.
Yeah, yeah. This different look.
Huh?
Different look. Different look. This car.
Oh, would he like it?
Yeah, I like. Start, sir.
And they gotta go to the church. They got a show.
Oh,
No doors. They have to climb.
yeah. Wow. Good. Good, good.
I think you're right.
Thank you, sir.